Hi everyone. So I have scheduled a complete geometry marathon session on Friday on YouTube from 6 p.m. onwards. So it is going to be a session of about 4 to 5 hours in which we are going to look at the complete geometry. We are going to cover all the areas of geometry from CAT 2021, CMAT and IPMAT exam perspective. So if you are preparing for any of the MBA entrance exams or BBA entrance exams, this session is going to be quite useful to you. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you the complete overview of the kind of session that is going to be there. But before that, let me quickly tell you something about myself in case if you are new to my session. My name is Ronak Shah and this is my educational background and my profile. In fact, I teach quant, DI, LR subjects and I also help students to prepare for interview and college selection. Do not forget to join my Telegram group. It's Unacademy_Ronak Shah. The link has been provided in the description. And if you have any query, you can directly ping me on Telegram ID, that is Ronak_live. So let's quickly understand what topics and what areas will be covered. So as you know that geometry for any of the exams are divided in about 4 parts, 2-dimensional geometry and 3-dimensional geometry. So you can say 2 major parts, and in total you have 4 major areas like triangle, circle, quadrilateral and mensuration, or you can say 3D geometry. So in this particular marathon session, we will start with line, angles, triangles, and we will cover all these topics of triangle like equal intercept ratio theorem, triangle, other theorems, similarity, congruency, geometric centers, very important, centroid, circumcenter, incenter and orthocenter. And we'll also look at some special triangles like 30, 60, 90 triangle, equilateral triangle and many other different types of triangles. And we will have we'll practice plenty of questions. Similarly, for quadrilaterals, we'll cover all the important quadrilaterals starting with the basics of polygon, then square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, trapezium. So all these important types of quadrilaterals will be covered. Along with that, we'll practice plenty of PYQs. And talking about circle has so many theorems, but in this session we will quickly look at all the important theorems and we will solve once again questions. And as far as 3-dimensional figures are concerned, so we will look at polyhedron. Now this is a new term, so once you will understand, once you will attend the session, you will understand what is polyhedron. We'll also look at circular figures, and surface area, volume and frustum type questions will also be covered. So in short, if I say, we'll cover all the figures like cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, and many others, prism and all, right? So please do not miss this session. Ask all your friends to join. In fact, do not forget to circulate this particular video. Please share it with your friends also. And before I end the session, let me quickly tell you that my Geometry Plus course is also coming up. So once you have attended this marathon session, and after that if you are attending my Plus course, that will be like power pack preparation. So definitely you can join my Plus batch as well as the Plus batch started by many other educators. In fact, few new Plus batches are also starting. So use my code SHAH10 and join Plus today itself to have double the preparation and double practice. In fact, in Plus you also get this amazing feature called Ask a Doubt. It's like 24/7 doubt solving service. So if you are solving any of the problem of geometry, say after the marathon session you are practicing questions from various books, various material, and if you come across a challenging question which you are not able to solve, so what you can do is you can simply take a screenshot of this particular problem and you can upload it on Unacademy Learning app under the Ask a Doubt section, and our expert will send you the video solution for that. Now this is an amazing feature and there is no limit to this. You can ask as many doubts as you want. Apart from that, in Plus we have regular doubt solving sessions, and when you join Plus using my code, that is SHAH10, you also get my guidance. So quickly join Plus before the price hikes. Do not forget to use code SHAH10. And these are the various plans on Plus. So I always recommend students to go for 12 months or 24 months plan. If you are preparing for IPMAT this year, then you can better go for 3 months or 6 months plan. 6 months will be quite suitable because your preparation would go until at least July. So guys, definitely go for this Plus subscription. In fact, there is one more subscription variant that's called Iconic subscription, where you get mentorship from icons. So this is very interesting subscription, very useful subscription. So you can also evaluate this. In case if you have any query about this, please hit me on my Telegram ID as I have mentioned earlier. So keep learning with us, and apart from that, make sure all of you have downloaded Unacademy Learning app. And yes, you can also participate in combat kind of events, and you can also win scholarship. So that's it as far as this session is concerned. See you on in the marathon session. Thank you.